In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off time-sensitive notifications on X, former Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until you find X. Here it is. So now I'm gonna tap on it to get into X app settings, where first off we need to head over to notifications, and that's where we can easily find time-sensitive notifications. These type of notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. To turn them off, all you have to do is just tap at that switcher. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.